Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a recurring maintenance reminder. To get started, we're going to go up to the left-hand corner and click on Properties. From here, we'll select View, and from here, we'll select Recurring Requests. As you can see, there are 0 recurring maintenance requests, and we can go up to the upper right-hand corner and select Add Recurring Request. From here, we'll want to put in all the important information such as the category, subcategory, the issue, the sub-issue, the title, and any description that is associated with this recurring maintenance reminder, the property it's associated with, and the start and the end date for this reminder, as well as the frequency of how often this reminder gets published and how many days in advance we want to see it published in the system. So let's go ahead and enter that information now. All right, as you can see, I have selected that it is a heating and cooling reminder. It is the filter, and the filter needs to be changed. We want to check the filter every quarter. It pre-filled in the title. I can edit this though if I want to. And I added the property, the start, the end date, and the frequency of how often I want this AC filter to be inspected. And we'll go ahead and select Create. All right, you have successfully created a recurring maintenance reminder, and you can tell that it is recurring because of the little circle arrows here. And if you hover over it, it says recurring, and it indicates that it is going to start in the future, and it will publish it 10 days in advance. You can view these under the Calendar tab. And under the Calendar tab, once it is published those 10 days prior, you will be able to see it on whichever day it publishes. You'll be able to see it on the calendar here, and you'll be able to click on that individual reminder and go and view it or delete it if it's already been done, or you can just close out the maintenance reminder by going to your maintenance tab and closing it out from here. Now, there is one other way you can make a maintenance request reminder a recurring one. And the way that you can do that is locate one that is not recurring, such as this one right here, plumbing other. There is no recurring symbol here. And we can simply select the 3-dot actions menu and select make recurring. And it's going to take us through a similar flow as we just went through and make this a recurring maintenance reminder. And that is how easy it is to create a recurring maintenance reminder.